The focus on phonics is back, and Really Good Phonics by Really Good Stuff is here to help. We've heard how much students are struggling with reading. That's why, designed by teachers, for teachers, Really Good Phonics isn't just a box of books. It's a way to build strong literacy foundations that can help students achieve their biggest dreams. The decodable readers flip charts and book sets are filled with phonics-based stories, perfect for small groups, one-on-ones, and even independent use when students are ready to read on their own. Word segmenting and blending cards are great hands-on practice tools that allow students to read on their own more confidently. Filled with innovative solutions, Really Good Phonics offers everything educators need to teach better reading right out of the box. Sound by sound, we can build student confidence and unlock their full potential.